our temper. We think our life is full of frustration and then we expect that we are healthy. This is a big question mark for our life. This is Kirti Prangya Panda, a student of Dr. A.N.K. Khoshla, D.A.V Public School, Rourkela, stand for you all to focus on the topic role of emotional health for a happy life. Many of us have a misconception about emotional health. Being emotionally healthy does not mean that we are always happy or tension-free. Rather than it means how we tackle our negative thoughts and emotions. We always think of our physical health. We go for a routine checkup. But what about our emotional health? Does we really care for it? We are so connected with the people that when someone stops talking to us, when someone scolds us, we take it so deeply and react violently. In that case, ask yourself a question. Why do I react in such manner? And the situation would have been definitely different if you would not have reacted in that manner. Always take criticism in a positive way rather than thinking it as an act of dishonor. We always stick to our past. We always overthink about our future. But does it really help? There is a saying, past brings tears, future brings fears. So live in present, enjoy it, and face the challenges that will give you eternal happiness. Science says that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be only converted from one form to another. We live in a society where we are surrounded with thousands of negative people who always try to drain out positive thoughts and fill our mind with negativity. Stay away from that. If our life is a tree, then our emotions are its root. So stay always positive. Our good thoughts, feelings and behavior gives us positive vibe, which ultimately help us to concentrate more in our work. Yoga, exercise and meditation help us to bring positivity inside us and gives tremendous results. When our emotional health is in a bad state, calm down and think what you can do to tackle it. That will give you eternal happiness and you can live a happy life. Thank you.